very powerful idea that we can use when we do body work, when we do shiatsu, is that the intention that we have and where our attention goes is where energy will flow. So before treatment, I think it's always a very useful and powerful practice to set our intention. In my practice, I want to understand what the person's seeking, and I want to help to serve them in that purpose. I don't want to impose my will or what I think should be healthy for them, but to see what is the path that they're unfolding and to help make that more at ease for them. So setting the intention can be one of the most powerful, if not the most powerful technique. Then to realize attention. So wherever our attention goes, also energy will flow there. Something that we might see in our practice is where a person has many good things going on in their life. Many strengths, physically, emotionally, mentally, but then they have a few problems. And then from the outside, if we look at that, the percentage of those problems may seem like a small percentage compared to all the things that are going very well. And because they've put all their attention on those few things that are problems or perceived problems, it magnifies them, and then that becomes actually a larger percentage of what's happening in their life for them. It can be a very useful thing for us in the treatment to see where our attention is drawn and to see where we're drawn to working, where we want to go to do our work in the treatment. But it can also be interesting to see where our attention goes in the day-to-day life. So it's another example of how what we're practicing every day in our practice of Shiatsu can become a guiding principle in the day-to-day life, understanding different situations, relationships, projects, that we set our intention, and this is the direction that things will start to go. And that when we bring our attention to something, that's the thing that's going to be magnified. That's the thing that's going to be energized. So it can be very useful to identify things that are not working, but very important to bring our attention to things and enjoy things that are working, because those are the things then that will take over, and the less attention we put to things that we perceive as problems, then those things will become diminished.